Tonight's body cam footage starts like any ordinary day until a swarm of police cars races through town. Our cameraman, AB, decides to follow the action, not realizing he's about to walk into a full-on roadside confrontation. What starts as simple curiosity quickly turns into a clash over filming rights, accusations of drink driving, and a tense back and forth with police officers, who clearly aren't in the mood to be recorded. Stay tuned, because this one gets personal.
And I just saw loads of police cars taking the right, and the left, all in blues. Well, we gotta get curious here. Any dramas, please, officers? Yeah, not bad. I saw you going in blue, so I thought there might be some dramas.
Sorry?
I said I saw you going in blue, so I thought, you know, we'll just check what's going on.
It's all good.
It's all good, yeah?
There's just been an incident up the road, so just doing that side of it, just keeping this section code off. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Just being nosy.
You can be as nosy as you like.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you live here, isn't it? So
Who?
it's worth, yeah.
I live here.
Huh?
Who lives here?
No, I'm saying, do you live here?
Yeah, I live here, yeah.
Yeah, so you've got a right to be nosy.
Of course, in this planet, yeah.
But we're going to be out of the area soon.
Really?
Quite soon.
Are you arresting anyone?
Up the road, they've detained someone.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna have a look.
AB's instincts kick in, the classic follow the blues moment every auditor knows too well. He's polite, he's calm, but notice how quickly the tone shifts from curiosity to concern once he hears someone's been detained. That word alone, detained, flips the mood. This is the turning point where a casual walk turns into an investigation.
Oh yes. Quick! Who's being detained? Look, I've got my shopping. I'm on my way back home. Oh, we got some CIDs here. Who's being detained? Oh, flipping heck. What the hell has he done? Oh.
As AB approaches, the energy changes. Multiple officers, a suspect on the ground, and flashing lights everywhere. Something serious just went down. In these moments, officers often tighten control of the perimeter. The question is, how close can the public, or a content creator, legally go before it's considered obstruction? That gray line is about to get tested.
We require you to provide a specimen of breath for analysis in case that's for the ESP drink drive procedure. The reason as to why is because someone's called us and told us that they've seen you drink driving. You've also got half a bottle of Magnum inside your bag, inside your personal property, which I believe you have drunk. So are you willing to provide for a specimen of breath for analysis? Failure to do so is a arrestable offence. Again, we're going to ask you to provide the required specimen of saliva for analysis. Again, someone's called up and said they've seen you smoking a joint on TikTok Live. You have a cannabis grinder on you. Okay, your car smells like herbal cannabis, so I believe you may be under.
Now, listen carefully. The officer explains that the suspect is required to give a breath specimen, standard procedure when drink driving is suspected. The reasonable suspicion comes from a public call and the open container they found. The grinder and cannabis reference means they're also stacking potential drug-related offenses. This is why multiple units show up. Once alcohol and drugs mix on the road, it's a priority stop.
I work in the area, so we need to just take a step back, please.
That's plenty of space, officer.
Right here,
That's a lot of space, come on.
Sorry? No, you're
It's a lot
blocking my area. I'm asking you to take a step back.
I am back. That's a long way. Let's try not to block my camera, then...
I can do what I want. I can stand up too.
I can do what I want to then. Flipping heck.
Huh?
Well, don't block my camera. It's quite a reasonable request, is it not?
I can block the camera.
Why?
I'm standing here.
You're obstructing me, man.
Obstructing you from what?
From filming.
Okay.
Yeah, don't do that.
Why not?
Because I'm asking you to.
I can walk around, can't I?
So you want me to cooperate with you, but
I can walk around.
you can't cooperate with me?
I can walk around.
So you're all good to film the same kind of film?
Yeah, but he's blocking me.
Huh?
He's blocking me.
Well, it's understandable. He's not going to want to be filmed like this, is he?
Really?
Here it is, the confrontation we've been waiting for. The officer asks AB to step back, and technically he's within his right to request that if safety or investigation space is at risk. But AB's counter, insisting he's already back, touches the nerve of every police audit video. How much space is enough? Watch how fast a simple boundary disagreement turns into a battle of authority and ego. Who do you think handled it better here, the officer or the cameraman?
So apparently he's drink driving. I don't believe that.
Give me that as well. Just sit up. When you start complaining, sit to your friend's time. You can sit down, mate. We're still going to do the drink roll procedure.
He was drink driving and I'd say that's a little bit excessive.
Right, so the officer's also made a requirement for you guys for Are you okay with that?
It's very cooperative.
Right, I presume you've done one of these before as well. Okay, so just nice deep breath. Zero.
I don't know why you're saying that. You are usually trying to make yourself
That's so annoying. You're annoying, officer.
Sorry?
So you're very annoying.
I'm very annoying.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Just understanding what my job.
What, doing your job, blocking out my camera is your job now?
I can do what I want. I can walk around.
Yeah, but
can't I?
you're clearly blocking my camera on
Why are you
purpose.
getting wound up for?
Because you're annoying.
Why am I annoying?
Because
working, isn't it?
Yeah, but blocking your camera.
I'm walking around.
Is blocking my camera your job right now?
I can do what I want. I'm walking around.
As the argument cools, AB learns the man allegedly drove under the influence. But his skepticism is what keeps viewers hooked. He doesn't just film, he questions. Was this a fair stop? Or did the officers overreact? This balance between transparency and interference is what defines modern street audits. It's not just filming, it's testing accountability.
You get paid to get annoying people? You're here to do something, I'm here to do something, that's it. Flipping hell, what are you gonna get? You guys need to stick that in your...
Sorry?
So you guys need to stick that in your thick brains.
Stick what?
That
What are
we
you getting
can,
pissed for?
yeah, that we can
Why
pin.
are you getting personal?
Because
I've not been personal once
because
to you,
you're
have I?
obstructing me.
Does it matter?
What happens if I obstruct you right
can
now?
move about.
What happens?
You can move about, can't you?
What happens if I obstruct you
Well,
right
I
now?
arrest you for obstruction.
Thank you.
Okay.
So why are you obstructing me?
Why should I not obstruct you?
Because you
You can walk
be,
around, you're
yeah.
free to walk around. I haven't stopped you to
No,
walk around.
I've been getting backward and forward, man.
So have I.
Yeah.
Do my job.
Well, no, you're not. You're being obstructive and annoying. Everybody else isn't. Just you. Yeah.
Make a complaint then.
What?
Make a complaint then.
Yeah, you're just a prick, man.
Why are you being abusive for?
Because you're annoying. I asked you, I said, don't obstruct
anything
me.
next to you
I
before
gave you
it's me?
plenty of space.
Okay. I'm
That's
walking around.
what I do.
Walking around.
Don't be disrespectful, man. That's what I do for a living.
What, being an auditor?
Yeah, whatever. All right then.
What's your YouTube? Is it? What is your YouTube channel?
Honestly, this guy's annoying, man.
I'm walking around.
What is your YouTube? I feel like I recognise your voice.
Yeah, it's Audit in Britain.
Yeah, I did think it was.
I'll vlog over later.
Yeah, so yeah, you look like a mug. Don't be a mug, that's it. We're here to film, we can film, that's it.
And I'm
That's
here
it.
just walking about.
No, you're not. You're on purpose you're blocking my
I can see
camera.
it's one you up, so it's fine.
No, because you're making good footage right now. That's all. I cooperated with you, I went back. I'm not aggravating the guy. There's not much more you can ask from me. Right. I offered you chicken nuggets.
Right, yeah, I said no.
All right. So now, huh?
I said no.
I can't hear.
I said no, it's fine, take the offer.
Right.
Here's where professionalism breaks down on both sides. The officer's frustration spills over, calling AB annoying, while AB fires back about rights and filming. This is where things can easily escalate, but notice neither crosses the line into physical interference. This verbal tug of war is pure gold for understanding real-life field tension, where lawful filming meets human impatience.
Oh, he's over the limit. So he's under arrest. I thought.
Well, maybe you should stop driving then.
Officer.
Sorry?
Sorry.
I'll go in a few seconds.
Officer, you're a lot more friendlier. You're a lot more friendlier than your mate. Quick question.
Yes.
A lot of police officers for drink driver.
He ran away.
You ran away with the car.
He ran it initially, that's why.
Ah, that explains it. You see, simple, isn't it?
That's explained to you, isn't it? No.
Yeah, you don't have to, but you can be human.
Half the world will come for that, but that's the only reason. And if you notice, like, most of us will just disappear.
Yeah, that makes.
And right there, the officer figures it out. What's your YouTube? That's the modern shift. Officers know the camera means public eyes. The interaction flips. Suddenly, both are aware they're part of a viral moment. It's fascinating psychology. Authority versus audience. The badge versus the algorithm.
Well, that explains everything. Yeah, I thought it's a little bit excessive. This amount of police officers for a drink driver who's reported. But as it happens, it was a chase. Take care. And there's the rude officer. Ah, too late, man. Too late. I know you're trying. I know you're trying hard for the video now, but I think it's screwed up. Yeah, he's doing his best to make up for his behavior. I'm assuming, see you later, mate. I'm assuming that he's maybe this guy. Take care. They're all waving. I think that's the.
Finally, everything makes sense. It wasn't just a drink driving stop. There'd been a chase. That explains the number of officers and the elevated response. AB wraps things up calmly, even joking with the once rude officer. Moments like this remind us, behind the uniform and behind the camera, everyone's human. Whether you side with the police or the auditor, transparency like this helps keep both accountable. So what do you think? Did AB cross the line by standing his ground, or did the officer overstep with the block and insults? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. And if you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns every week.